Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a post in a space, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, there are two ways that you can create a post in space. For example, the first one, if you click on that second icon at the bottom of the screen, here you can see your following spaces. Click on the logo of the space, and at the bottom of the screen you can see that pencil icon, and after that you can type in your story or your question to this space. And you can see that if you want to create a post, you have to be in that create post section. If you want to add question, you have to switch to add question, and there are the rules at the top of the screen. Here you can see some useful information, submission rules, and so on. And if you are done, click on the submit. And the other way is that if you are on the home page, you can see the post option at the top of the screen, and now you can see that create post and everyone, or here the suggested space is this space, because I am following this space right now. But if you are following other spaces, will appear here. Click on the done and you are all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.